Hey, how's it going? I'm going to show you how to remove and more importantly, how to reinstall a door panel on a Chevy Bolt. Because the installation is kind of a pain unless you realize what you actually need to do. And no videos that I've seen on YouTube actually tell you how to install this door panel. First thing we're going to do, we're going to pop this off right there. And we're going to go on the top side. That way, if it scratches, you don't see it. And also the way these are designed. Oh shit, I just scratched it. You get your screwdriver, pop it out. Hopefully you don't wreck it as much as I did. So we take that piece off. Let's just throw it in there. I'll throw the screwdriver in. Actually, you know what? We need the screwdriver. What am I doing? Why you let me do that? Now we need to take this off. So there's a little hole there. You slip the screwdriver in and just lift it up. It's just a little rubber piece. Pretty simple. Okay, now we can put the screwdriver in the door. We got a bolt there, 7mm, and a bolt in there, 7mm. All right, that's out. That's out. I'm gonna put these in the door thingy. Next is we gotta pop this door loose. Okay. Normally it's not that easy. You might have to get something in there on the bottom to pry it. Pry it from the bottom first. And then you can kind of lift it up, hopefully. Pop that one loose. There's some tab thingies here. There's some tab things up top that need to be popped out. So you're gonna have to make sure, you know, it's fully out. Once all the clips are undone, then we can lift it up. There we go. It's up. So now we need to get this weather stripping off. So let's just pull it back. All right, weather stripping's off. Now we have to get these clips off. There's the clips there. What I do is I use a pair of pliers. I clip on that side there, and that little tab to press it down. And then the bottom side, squeeze it, and then peel it off at an angle. It's a little bit of a pain, but it's doable. Don't worry about it. You're not going to break anything. All right, so we got all the clips off. Yay! Good job, me. So now we got to go ahead and put these clips on top of the door. So pretty simple. You have the narrow end there. It slides in there. So you're only doing it where there's a space between the two pieces of metal, and they slide right in. And this is the same thing no matter which door you're working on. Yay, clips are in place. Now let's get the weather stripping on. So the weather stripping, or the belt, or whatever you want to call it, this part that has the text, that's going to be facing towards you like this. And all we got to do is just put it into place and not drop it like I just did. And then we're going to press it down. That is looking amazing. Now the trick is, we're going to get this door panel on. We're going to make sure this is pulled up. We're going to line this with that. Push the panel in so it goes in between these two grooves. And then we're going to press it down a little bit, and then we're going to push it in. So, yeah. It sounds complicated, but it's really not. Okay, so I'm going to do my best to show you how this goes on. All the clips have been installed first. Now we're ready to get this thing back on. Everything's lined up. I'm going to tap it down just a little bit so it sits in there. And then we're going to try to get these clips in. There we go. It's perfect. Oh, the bottom's not clipped in. All the clips are in. Let's put the screws back on. The little rubber thing back in. If you found this helpful at all, I mean, I'm not going to ask you to subscribe or anything, but put a comment in there. Just let me know. It'll make me feel good or something. I don't know. But there we go. Door panel fully installed. It's the same on no matter what door you're working on. They're all the same. All right. Thank you for watching. Aloha. Peace out. Catch you in the next one.